still trying to find a way how to make some money on Clickbank. If you're still struggling, I hope right after this video, I can help clear up some of that for you so you can start making money right away. So if you look at my screen, I'm just going to jump right into it. These are some numbers. This is how I track my performance, where my traffic is coming from, who's clicking on my, my offers, where people are coming from Instagram, or they come from YouTube, or they coming from Facebook, right? You have to keep track, especially when you want to scale. So if you want to make $100 a day, 250, 300, 400, you want to make 500, even $1,000 a day on a consistent basis, you always have to keep track. And that's what most people don't really share with you. So I want to take the time out to really show you that there's software tools out there that you can use. I'm using this one currently. It's called ClickMagic. So if you want to, I'm going to leave a link down below if you want to check that out. Hey, if you don't want to, you can try and sign up for bit.ly.com. Bitly or Sniply, those things are free. But if you're just starting out, I'll recommend you sign up for those ones. But if you're serious about your business and you want to make sure you started off the right way, again, there's going to be a link in the description that you can sign up for that as well. So let's jump into the video right now. If this is your first time here, welcome, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. And I want you to watch this video all the way to the end, because at the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what to do, how to start getting traffic as soon as this video is over. I'm being for real. You're going to know where to go, how to set everything up, and you can start generating sales. You can generate clicks. You can start making money, and you can start bringing people inside of your business. So let's dive into it. Now, you're definitely going to need a Clickbank account. If you don't have one, go sign up for one right now. And it is absolutely free. You could sign up, and especially if you're a beginner, this is going to be a great video for you, right? So if you look on here, there's tons of different products that you can promote. You could come down and you can find, I wouldn't think of travel. You could go into the, like, spirituality niche is always good. Health and wellness is always good. This one is a good one. Employment, jobs is always email, e-marketing, business, investing. People are always doing those things. And it doesn't matter what's going on. People are going to spend money on this consistently. Now, I'm over here into the health and fitness stuff. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you some scripts. I'm going to give you, well, not scripts, but I'm going to give you, some bonuses at the end. So there's going to be some bonuses that you can use, that you can swipe, you can copy, and you can do it. Well, try not to do it word for word, but just tweak it a little bit, and you can use it. So I'm going to give you that if you watch it. So don't try to skip ahead. Keep watching the videos, because you don't want to miss out on the most important part. All right. So there's tons of different products that you can find. You could just go through here, and you could see where, where people are clicking. You could see what's happening right here. You can see like the gravity score. You could see where it says, yeah, gravity score down here. Gravity score. These gravity scores are high. Like this is like custom keto, over 283. The average bill, that's huge. So you're looking at Spanish, you're looking at French, you're looking at English, right? So for this one, if you want to take a look at it, watch the video, regular diet, keto diet. Watch the entire video, click on it. If you want to look at the affiliate page, right, click on the affiliate page. And when you click on it, you can get all access to the affiliate tools, right? So you get access to the affiliate tools. You can just put your name in and your email. All right, put your name in, put your email. You'll have access to that. All right, so there you go. So welcome, welcome to the custom keto affiliate. Here you can create your affiliate links right down here. They have videos, they have $1 trial, and then they bill for, for 37. I always like to get people in the front door with $1 trial, right? For $1 for 7 days, they could sign up. $1, people could just say, all right, I'm going to sign up for $1. So when they sign up for $1, eventually what's going to happen, and boom, they're going to get, an upsell. These are landing pages that you can use. You could download the landing pages if you want. There's videos. You can use these videos as well, right? Scroll down, there's like media buys, there's like articles, there's email swipes, there's FAQ, right? There's banners, there's social media. So if you click on social media, right, these are different social media you can use. So I'm just going to download this just for the sake of it to see what we have here, right? So, all right, so there's the Instagram pack. There we go. See, boom. Not sure if you guys can see this, but this is the bomb. All right, so let me stop sharing and reshare again so you can see what I'm seeing. All right, there it is. All right, so right here, these are like the Instagram, all the Instagram package and tools that you can use. And just like what we wanted, that's exactly what we're gonna be doing, all right? So let me just reshare the screen again, back into the video, right? If you've gotten this far, again, if you haven't liked, subscribe, become a part of this family, I advise you to subscribe right now. Stop for a second in the comment section. I want you to type in Clickbank, right? Right again, Clickbank. Make sure you type it in the comments for me right now. All right, so back into the video. So when you download these banners, let me tell you, these companies, they want you as an affiliate to win. So they're gonna give you resources, they're gonna give you tools, they wanna make sure they give you everything so you can go out there and you can promote, right? So once we find, right, watch the video. Now it's a lady's voice, so that's perfect, 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 right? This is what you wanna do. You wanna find these. And when you find these, you watch the videos. Is it something that you want to promote? Is it something that you want to put your name on? And if it's something that you want to do, then promote it. If not, go find something else. Do your research. Search, search, search until you find something. But this looks good. I like the custom look because it's clean. It's very sleek. I like their affiliate section. So you can tell like this company right here, they really put some money into this. They spend money to put all of this together. They do. I can see that because normal page, man, you'll see some of those things and you're like, oh boy, what's this, right? So yes, come through here. So here's what we're going to be doing. And this is a way that I promote that you probably saw the results and the clicks because I track them, right? So first we want to go over to this website. It's called influencercart.com, right? So influencercart.com. So these are all Instagram pages. These are Instagram pages. So instead of you going out there and you're creating stuff, yeah, you could do that. That's for the long term. But this is for right now. Like right after this video, you can get everything set up. You can start, putting things out there and start to get some leads, some sales, some action going on, right? So again, results aren't typical, so don't be. This is going to require a little bit of effort, right? There ain't no magic pill. I'm not going to tell you, hey, well, do this and you're going to get money right away. No, because you could probably try it and you don't make any sales. But I'm encouraging you, if you don't know where to start, this is a good place to start. So let's say we go with health. Where is it? So we're going to go with health. All right. Fitness. Let's go with fitness and sport. So we'll find fitness and sport. All right. It doesn't have to be any price line. Apply. We could go by country too. So we go with United States. We go with United States. We go with UK, United Kingdom. All right. And then we click. That's what we're going to be doing. So you can create an account. All right. So here we go. We have 26% are from the US. So it's like She Health. They're starting from like $40. Jot Fitness Body, 16%. They have 22K. This 31,000 from the US. It's like US. All right. US right here. This is US right here. US, India, UK. This is a lot of US. Woohoo, ooh la la. There's a lot of people from the US, from $10. So if I were you, I would just go, okay, so right there, I'm going to show you two different ways. One, with this particular website. Two, you could go find people on Instagram. But if you want to, you could do business with them right here because these are a good company. They're real people. Ain't nobody gonna take your money because sometimes on Instagram you gotta be careful. People will say, "Well, yeah, send my money in PayPal," and then, oops, they're gone. Just be careful. It's everywhere. I'm just telling you this. So, right over here, there's like 38,000 people. Right. So this, like this USA is like strong right here. These two. So this is like 15, and this is like 10. Click on it. Right. And see, they're starting from $10. So they're starting at 10. Success rate is 100. What category? So this could be story. So we're going with story, right? So 24 hours. Okay. So they're charging 35 bucks. 35 bucks for 24 hours in the story. So let's say multiple. 1 hour. Whew. Let's go with single. 1 hour. So stories is where I always do my promotions. I always do stories because stories is the best. So if you come down here and you go stories, 35 bucks. 35 bucks. So let's say if you spend 35 bucks to make, hang on now, 35 bucks to make, all right, let's see what we got here. All right. So 35 bucks, where did it go? Okay, let's go with health. 35 bucks, where did it go? All right, there we go. 35 bucks, the initial sale, right, is 40. Average sale, 44. You're looking at a 9%. And you can get 2 or 3 sales, can put you in the green, right? Put you in the green. So again, if you want to do your own research and you want to go find cheaper ones, you could do that. But I always try to go with, what's safe, because you got to protect yourself and protect your money. And they're giving you their entire things. These are females from UK and United States, right? The page is high engagement, generally around 3%. That's good organically over the last 8 months. So you can even go take a look at it. So let's go with Instagram, doing some investigation, right? Doing some investigation here. That's what we do. We got to make sure we check out everything. All right, there we go. All right, so they got 14,000 people. All right, there we go. There's some engagement going on. There's people commenting. All right. All right. That's cool. So it's weight loss. So even if you want to, you want to find people on here, go to Instagram and then you want to private message them. So this is where the bonus comes in, right? So here's the bonus. You could be like, hello, put the Instagram name, shoot them a message. How are you doing? Yeah, sorry. Hope you're doing well. I wanted to do some business with you. I was wondering what's your promo rate. Because sometimes they will put a price on here. All right. So you can look at the location where the people are coming from. Right. Sometimes they'll put a price on here because, of course, they're going to charge a little fee over there. But then on here, they could give you a much better deal. Right. So it will give you a much better deal. So if they're on here, you know, they're cool people. They generally will want to do business with you. So that's how it works. So yeah, you send them to this, send them this, and then they will send you, you know, their promo rate, and then you could do business with them, whether it's through PayPal or wherever. Okay. So after you find the page, the next thing you want to do, you want to give them the information, you want to give them the material. So the first thing you want to do, you want to copy your link, right? Copy this link, and you want to go to Bitly. So go to bitly.com. And when you go to Bitly, you want to create a create a link. Just put it right there. Oops. Let me get this. Where did that link go? So copy the link. Copy the link. And then I'm going to go over to Bitly. Go to bitly.com. All right, let me go here. Go to bitly.com, put the link here. And then it's created. Copy the small link. And then you give it to the Instagram page. You know, send it to the Instagram page if you agreed on it. You know, you make some arrangement and everything. Then what you want to do, you also want to send them the story, the story template that you had downloaded, right? The story template that you had downloaded. So it will just go straight to this, you know, straight to the link. You could track it if you want to create a capture page or a landing page. If you want to use ClickFunnels, you want to use lead pages, then you could put that together, right? And so you can collect the emails. So that way you can send emails to those people over and over again. But you know, for most part of it, you could just send them directly to the, send them to the offer. You know, especially if you're just starting out, you don't have to worry about creating a link or anything or a landing page. Yes, it is the best way, but if you're just starting out and you have no clue about how to build those things and you just want to, you know, get your feet wet, you know, this will be a great way. Have these people, influencers, promote your product. So all you got to do is just pay them a little bit of money and they will promote it for you. And in return, you'll be getting some leads and some sales. So I hope that video helps. If you guys are looking for a more in-depth training, like a more step-by-step layout of how all these things work, I highly recommend you check out the description. You know, try out this 15-day challenge. See if it's something that is worthwhile. This is where I learn everything from, you know, learn how to do these things, how to market, how to properly advertise. So if you're looking for that type of stuff, check out the link in the description, the first link. All right. So I'll catch you in the next video. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.